picture of me and you. You wrote I love you. I wrote
Hello! It's 4:20 in the morning and napakahaba ng check-in.
me too. I sit there staring and there's nothing else to do. Oh, it's
Pagod na pagod siya, nakatakbo.
your hair is brown. Your eyes are hazel and soft as cloud.
I thought we're not gonna make it, but yay! We made it! Landing from Tokyo! Hi, Mateo! We'll buy toys!
安全のためにすべての携帯用電子機器は消音モードが電源を切ったままにしておいてください。
And soft as clouds. I often kiss you when there's no one else around.
Okay, land of the rising sun.
Huh?
This is my worst travel experience. So, we are barred because of my passport. Mukhang madideport na ata ako. Okay. Dito pa rin kami sa... Okay. Dito pa rin kami sa holding area. Okay, this is what happened when we landed Narita Airport. So, when the time we submitted our passport to the immigration, pina-check na namin siya and we thought na wala namang problema. So, dire-diretso lang kami. And then, the other immigration officer took us to the holding room area. So, we waited, I think, almost 15 to 20 minutes para lang ma-follow up namin kung ano yung problema, bakit kami naka-hold. So, the immigration officer told me that the passport number or my passport number was reported lost. Nandun yun sa international system nila. I was so shocked nung minention yung problema sa amin kasi this is not the first time we traveled other countries. So, we never thought of this. As in, wala talaga. And siguro adrenaline rush na rin talaga na I posted the situation in my Facebook. And luckily, yung sister ko, meron siyang contact in Japanese embassy. Philippine embassy in Japan. So, we are so lucky that we got extracted even though we are, I think, we were hold for more than 5 hours. So, ang ginawa is, nag-communicate kami dun sa Philippine Embassy sa Japan to tell our story na I never lost my passport. It was never been out of my possession ever since. I use it from other countries like Hong Kong, Singapore, Macau, pero wala naman kaming na-encounter na problema. As in, super hopeless kami kasi hindi na namin in-expect na ma-resolve namin yung case and we expect na ma-deport na talaga kami within the day or kinabukasan. So, ayun na nga, nag-pray na lang talaga kami and good thing kasi kahit Sunday sa Philippines and I think kinabukasan naman, which is Monday, holiday naman sa Japan, at least na-coordinate ng Philippine Embassy sa Japan yung mga taga-DFA to clear things out. So, very thankful kami sa mga staff ng ATN or Assistance to the National who helped us to get out sa immigration at least nakapamasyal kami na-enjoy pa rin naman namin yung Japan trip namin. Okay, again, I want to thank everyone who helped me share my posts, and to my sister who contact the right person to help us. And then sa ATN unit ng Philippine Embassy sa Japan, thank you so much, and it was nice meeting you. So, gagawin ko lahat ng advice na pinayo nyo sa amin, and definitely maybe before July ends, I will visit DFA to clarify things out and to report what happened in Japan. So, hopefully, sana guys, hindi mangyari sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin, and you know what to do. Just remember, tough times don't last. Just be happy. Bye! Ayan, sinundo kami ni Tita Nel.
Ito gusto mo, oh. Gusto mo ano?
Tita ni Marlon.
Hi. Itlog. Gusto mo itlog?
Long hours of waiting.
Itlog. Gusto mo? Itlog.
Ayan. Waiting na kami for bus going to Sunroot Plaza. Grabe, ganito palang experience dito sa Japan. Ganun pala yung feeling, as in sobrang nakakakaba. As in super nakakakaba. Like, as in maiiyak ka na talaga. Like, akala ko ma-hold na ako tapos mapapadeport na ako bukas. So, ang galing eh. As in, yung environment. I mean, yung government, ang bilis din ng action nila. Dito, tsaka sa Pilipinas. Hi! Teo! Bus na kami! Yay! Wasted! See? Wasted na kami kasi I have a vlog today. Since we are stuck the whole day in the airport, we've decided to tour around the area. And not in the process. Shinjuku Street, Tokyo! Hi! As you can see, ano na bang oras? It's already 10 p.m. 10:30 p.m. Parang ang aga-aga pa.
Look at you from inside as well. You've got me turning up and turning down. I'm turning and I'm turning round. I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. No sex, no.
It's a wrap! Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on my social media on the link down below.